If you are offended by this video, kindly subscribe and let us get into the video. According to Wikipedia, 69 means a lot of things. It could mean a mating position, it could refer to Tekashi, an American rapper, and other stuff. But let's keep this video short, so in this video we are covering how you could invest $69. In the next we will cover how to invest $420. Here are ways you can invest 69 bucks. 1. Purchase a Doodly membership. Wait a minute, do not click off. Here is the reasoning before you think I am trying to sell you something. You have probably come across a YouTube channel called The Swedish Investor. For those who do not know about it, it is a finance YouTube channel just like this one, which makes $5,000 to $10,000 a month by posting 6 to 9 videos a month on the internet. Hope you saw the 6 to 9 joke. Get it? 69. Anyway, the owner of the YouTube channel does what is known as YouTube automation, just like I do with this channel. You never see my face, but only hear my voice in a stock video, and whenever you watch an advert, I make a little bit of money passively. YouTube automation means posting videos on the internet without showing your face or even talking. Basically, the barrier to entry is low, but the reason many people do not do it is because, on average, it takes a brand new channel 6 months to 2 years to hit the minimum requirement for monetization. But after that, it is 4 to 7 figures monthly without doing anything else. Now that you have understood how the system works, remember the saying, money makes more money. That's where Doodly comes in. Doodly is a whiteboard animation software which, at the time of this video being published, retails at $39 for the standard package and $69 for the business package. It is easy to learn, and you could be making high-quality videos by this weekend instead of partying and watching hentai. Sorry, I meant anime. If you want to support the channel, you can use the link down below to get 30% off the first month. And in the next 6 to 10 months you could be making that YouTube 6-figure money. 2. Invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a term used to describe digital currency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Although crypto has been incredibly volatile, many experts believe the industry is still in its infancy and that crypto will be adopted widely within the next few decades. For example, some industry analysts predict 1 Bitcoin will be worth $200,000 or more several years from now. There are many reputable platforms that let you invest into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You can open an account and fund the crypto purchase of your choice in a matter of hours. From there, you can buy more cryptocurrency, trade, or sell depending on your needs and goals. Currently, BlockFi lets you invest into BTC, ETH, LTC, and PAX, as well as USD-based stable coins like USC, UST, GUST, and PAX. BlockFi is an excellent choice for investing in cryptocurrency due to the fact there are no minimum balance requirements. This means you can go ahead and invest your initial $69 into cryptocurrency today, but you could also get started with $6.9, $4.20, $420, or whatever you have. Investing in cryptocurrency is a good option for anyone who has a high tolerance for risk and who won't need to withdraw their money right away. Also, be sure to only invest in crypto that are famous and have been in use for at least 5 years. If you do not do background research, you might fall into a pump and dump scheme. 3. Invest in fractional shares. Fractional shares are nothing more than a fraction or a slice of an individual stock. As a result, this type of investing lets you use $69 to buy stocks you couldn't otherwise afford. You can also diversify your $69 investment across many different stocks that would work well in your portfolio. With Robinhood, you can buy stock in a company even if you don't have enough money to buy an entire share. It's called fractional share investing. Instead of buying 1 share of a $69 stock, you could invest $6.9 in 10 different stocks. Robinhood makes it easy to open an account and get started. You can even get a free bonus stock worth up to $225 just for opening an account and meeting some basic requirements. This is a great option for investing in fractional shares since there are no commissions and no minimum balance required to get started. Fractional share investing can be a good option for any investor who wants to diversify as much as they can. Another way to invest in fractional shares is through the popular known index fund. Fun fact, in case you invest $69 monthly, for the next 30 years in an index fund you will have about $100,000. Imagine that. And also the contrary is true. If you save $69 in your account in the next 30 years, you will have $24,840. So make a wise decision. Will you save your money or invest it? Remember, there is $80,000 difference. I repeat, dollars, not pesos. That difference is huge. Considering both ways, you have to input zero effort. The amount is even more if you decide to invest more money. 4. Open an IRA. An IRA is an individual retirement account that allows you to save money for retirement and has various tax advantages. Whether you are enrolled in an employer-sponsored retirement plan or not, an IRA is a great way to bulk up your retirement savings, something that is crucial for all of us, especially given that 50% of Americans have less than $100,000 in their retirement savings right now. So, opening an IRA is an essential part of breaking that cycle. The two common types of IRA are a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. A traditional IRA has tax-deferred benefits. This means the money you contribute is pre-taxed. You will not be taxed on this money until you withdraw it in the future. A Roth IRA is a type of retirement account you can open in addition to other accounts you have, like a workplace 401k. This type of retirement account lets you invest with after-tax dollars, and your money grows tax-free until you are ready to access it. The best part is, you can withdraw your Roth IRA funds without paying income taxes once you are ages 59.5 or older. The annual contribution limit for 2021 is $6,000. Unless you are over 50, then you can contribute up to $7,000. No matter which you choose, an IRA is an excellent way to start investing with $100. You'll need to open a Roth IRA on your own, which is easy to do with a number of online brokerage firms. Just keep in mind, there is an income caps limit to who can contribute, so it's possible you may not be eligible if you have a high income. The best places to open a Roth IRA include Betterment, Stash, N1 Finance, and more. Research online brokerage accounts until you find the best option for your needs and goals. A Roth IRA makes sense for anyone who wants to save money for retirement or other goals. Since this account lets you withdraw money without income taxes in retirement, it's also a good choice for people who want access to tax-free money later in life. 5. Open a high-yield savings account. If you have $69 to your name, but you don't have any extra cash for emergency expenses, then your best bet for now is saving that money. However, you can easily earn a better rate of return with a high-yield savings account from an online bank. This type of savings account works like other savings accounts from a traditional bank. Setting up an account is a breeze, and the biggest difference is that you can earn a higher interest rate on your deposits. The best online savings accounts from banks like CIT Bank, Discover, and Ally Bank offer exceptionally high interest rates when compared to the national average of just 0.04%. Just make sure you compare accounts until you find an option with the perks you want and no hidden fees. You can also earn 5x the national average on your savings. That's still not a lot, but earning something is still better than nothing. Everyone needs savings for emergencies and a rainy day. Lastly, as a bonus with $69, you can subscribe to my Patreon with $40. At Patreon, you get trade signals, and also you can chat me up if you have a query on YouTube, automation, or foreign exchange. And of course, everyone tells you that you could make money with their signals. Well, we got proof in the link below.